Welcome my dear friends to sharmaclassesnagpur.com. Here in problem number 5 we are asked to find how many terms are there in the sequence 3, 6, 9, 12 and so on till 111. So initially let's check whether the sequence is a series or not. Then only we can apply the standard formulas. So we know here 6 minus 3 is same as 9 minus 6 is same as 12 minus 9. All here the difference is 3. So it is an arithmetic progression with a common difference small d is equal to 3. Now how many terms are there in the sequence? So let's assume that this 111 itself is the nth term or the last term. This is the nth term. And nth term AP we know the formula, it is first term plus n minus 1 into d. The first term is 3 over here. So let's write this 111 itself is the nth term. 3 plus n minus 1, we are required to find the value of n now. D is again 3. So 111 is equal to 3 plus 3n minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled. So n becomes 111 by 3. That is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. So there are exactly 37 terms. And the last term we have assumed it. So how many terms are there in the sequence? There are 37 terms altogether in this. We can count and see also. After 12 we will get 15, 18 and so on like this, and we will reach to 111. Then we can count the number of terms. In problem number 6, find whether 186 exists in a way that find whether 186 is a term of the sequence or not. So let's assume that it is a term of the sequence, that is the nth term or the last term is 186 itself. So nth term we know that the terms are always a counting number, that is it will be first term, second term, third term and so on like this. It cannot be a fraction term, that is it is 7.5 term, all these things. So after finding this thing, okay, first we will check whether it is a series or not. 7 minus 3 is 4, 11 minus 7 again 4. That is, it is again an arithmetic progression with the first term equal to 3 and common difference is 7 minus 3, that is 4, and we'll again use the standard formula nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. So the nth term we are considering it as 186 and first term is 3, nth term n minus 1, d is 4. So this 186 is equal to 3 plus 4n minus 4. So 186 is equal to 4n minus 1, or minus 1 goes to this side. 187 by 4 is equal to n, and this should exactly get divided by 4. But in this case we know 4 1s are 4 4s are 16, 4 6 are 24, and it is not exactly getting divided. We are getting answer in point something, that is we'll get now 4 7s are 28. So this term, and this is not a natural number, hence this cannot be a term of the sequence. So the answer, final answer is find whether this is a term or not. No. Okay, this cannot be a term. Final answer is no. Thank you my dear friend.